conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena.
Hello, what's up? So finally, after a lot of struggle, we are here to our destination that's called Barpeta Road Cattle Farm. So there's a beautiful view behind. You can see that. Yeah, it's a little bit excited moment for both of us because there's no school for 5 days, and we just came here. To roam around, and there's puja at Barpeta Road. Okay, let me just introduce this place. This place is just 3 kilometers away from that Vishal Mega Mart at Barpeta Road, and the place is really literally beautiful, and it's like heavenly moment we are experiencing here. Yeah, there's my childhood friend, Mr. Akibuddin. मिस्टर अकीबुद्दीन, आपका व्यू पॉइंट क्या है, कैसा लगा इधर आके?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
The place is quite good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he is basically maths teacher at Arvat, which is situated at Barpeta Road, North Barpeta, I think. So we both don't having school today, and for next 4 days. So we are just having chill moment. Okay, let me just shift to the back camera. Alright, so it's time for us to do a lot of photography. After that we'll be going to home. Right now we'll be having photography. And of course, definitely everyone would like to do photography. It's such a beautiful place. Just have a look at the back.
Down, feel the sway, cerca de mí, don't run away. Tempo beats, let's ignite. Dance with me through the night. Baila, 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 sin parar, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like stars. Baila, baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual. Break it down, feel the sway. Cerca de mí, don't run away. Tempo beats, let's ignite. Dance with me through the night. Baila, baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like stars.